Hello everybody, today I'm going to compare, unbox and review two different Nintendo Switch Lites. Both are gray. One of them is a US version and another one is a European. Okay, so let's see the difference of the box first. This side seems the same to me. Okay, this one is completely different. So this one is US version, so this one just says Nintendo here, and European version says a lot of things. Okay, this side. Okay, so US version says Nintendo Switch Lite and European version says gray with E. This is British English. And we'll look the other side. So this is US version, this is European. Okay, and I go to over here. Here we have serial numbers. US version has a big one, European has a small one. If you see different part numbers here, European version. Okay, here we have, so this is American, this is a US version, this is European. These sides are different. It's in the back. In the back, US version says gray with A, so this is American English. This one doesn't say anything, so now we're gonna open them. So here we have a little bit of a difference. So we have here European versions shows the wall charger here. American too. Okay, so US version like this, European like that. Okay, open them. Looks about the same to me. Okay, this paper is longer in European version. Okay. So this is US. This is European. This one the other way around somehow. Okay. This one is taller. Okay. Like this. Okay. Open here. Here. Same way. Now we have console in the back. Let's see if they're any different. Look the same. So they have different writing over here. US version has a little bit different writing here. This says different, this signs. Okay. Yeah, other sides are the same. Put consoles on the side. Then we have a manual. This is European manual. This is a US manual. This one is thicker. I assume that there would be some writings in different languages. There's German. Yeah, those different languages. And a US version, English, French here. Okay. Spanish, English, French, Spanish. Okay. Then the most different part is this. Open like this. It's power adapter. Nintendo, this side, so this, okay, let's see. I see here the holes are bigger, but I don't know, it might be just kind of random, I don't know. Okay, this difference. This European plug. Here both say Nintendo. Okay. 100 to 240 volt, so that means with adapter, and same over here. So with adapter this can work in US and this can work in Europe as well. I just need an adapter for it. So I did some research. Wall charger like this would be too weak. Okay. Then you have an option, use this 12-watt wall charger. But this one, as far as I understood, is too slow for charging. So we'll turn it on. It says charging here, but it's probably gonna be too slow. This is from Samsung S10, S9, S8, they're about the same, and S7. Okay, so this we put on the side. Next step would probably be iPhone 11 Pro or newer iPad Pro wall charger. It's 18 watt, so it's USB-C on both sides. So this one. Home. Okay, this one doesn't even say charging. Wow. Supposed to be charging because this one is more powerful than the previous one. Well, I guess it doesn't. Okay. I'm gonna try to use. Okay, I'm gonna try to use another cable. So this is a cable from newest Samsungs. So it's both sides USB-C. This one is charging. Oh, okay. That was like iPhone cable. I don't know. Maybe it's weaker somehow. So this one is good. So then we have we're gonna have, this is a Google Pixel cable and wall charger. So this one should be good. This one is charging. All these phone chargers, they're supposedly slow to charge. They can charge, but they're slow. So, and the most powerful out of phone chargers, as far as I know, is this one. It's from Note 10, from S20. Okay. So this one is charging. Okay. What I would do, I would just use the wall charger that comes with it, and use a plug like that, just to change these connectors. It says 100 to 240 volts, so it's good both for EU and US. So just plug it in here. Plug it in here, charging. And I actually it came from factory like a little bit over 50% charged, so I already tried to make sure it's charging. I already tried and charge it all the way, so it's good. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.